Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the screen and frame are free of dust and oils. Use 90% isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Once done, position the UV-tempered glass with guide stickers, checking cutouts and edges so alignment is exact. Peel the adhesive liner slowly and keep fingers off the adhesive to prevent marks. You want the glass to hover evenly before full contact because initial placement determines edge bonding and reduces bubbles during the next step. Lower the glass slowly and let the adhesive contact the screen from the center outward. You should press gently to expel trapped air. Once seated, activate your UV lamp and cure methodically along the prescribed pattern. Manufacturers specify wavelength and exposure time, so follow it to ensure full polymerization. Make sure you sweep the lamp steadily to avoid uneven curing. If you see small bubbles, use a soft squeegee to push them toward the edge before full cure, because cured bubbles are much harder to remove. After curing, inspect all edges and corners for any lift or gaps. If you find a slight edge lift, reclamp and run another short cure cycle, because incomplete bonding is often fixable. Next, test touch responsiveness, camera clarity, and any sensors to confirm nothing shifted during installation. If you observe white milky spots or delamination, try a targeted recure. If the bond fails repeatedly, replace the tempered glass, since compromised adhesive cannot be reliably fixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.